Hello! Good morning, children. How are you? Today, let's count bananas. These are bananas drawing. And the bananas are ripe and yellow. And then let's gonna count them. Let's count the banana. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 bananas. There are 16 yellow bananas. Well, see you next time. But before you go, click the thumbs up button below. Thank you for watching.